Hello, my name is Jessica Evans, and I'm glad to share my experience of the Swedish Massage Training Course at Lead Academy. I saw the kind of demand Swedish massage had in the massage community, so I felt like it's a really solid skill to have. Also, I wanted to add a professional massage qualification to my career CV. Fortunately, I found Lead Academy's Swedish Massage Course in London, which really stood out to me because it's not only CPD and IPHM accredited, but it also provided me with all the practical tools and techniques I needed to know in just one day. It's actually really convenient and organized. At first, there is the theoretical part online that I completed at my own pace. Then came the practical part. The practical training was very interesting because we had a face-to-face session in London for about 7 to 8 hours. We learned from experienced massage therapists who showed us all the techniques step by step. I practiced along under expert guidance until I became truly confident in offering the massage. I learned basically all the Swedish massage techniques like kneading, gliding, tapping, and applying different pressure on certain body points. The tutor was so gentle and covered everything I needed to know. The tutor also showed us secret techniques by which we can ease muscle tension and promote relaxation in the client's body. Not at all, I was new to Swedish Massage Course. So I went in as a beginner, and there were people from different backgrounds in my group. Some were beauty therapists, some were complete beginners. The tutors made everyone feel comfortable and welcoming, and because it's very practical, you learn very quickly. That's one of the best parts. Once you finish the course, you get a CPD and IPHM accredited certificate, which is recognized across the UK and even internationally. Plus, you become eligible to apply for insurance right away. So you can actually start working as a mobile massage therapist or even in salons. Definitely. For me, it was a quick way to expand my services and attract more clients. The fact that it's only one day, everything you need is provided, and they even offer interest-free installments makes the whole course really worthwhile. If you're thinking about learning Swedish massage, I seriously recommend this course. It's professional, practical, and it gives you the confidence to start offering your services to the public right away.